Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the things you need to purchase on Dress to Impress that's going to be removed after the Halloween update. So you need to purchase these poses on Dress to Impress before they're gone forever. So the first one that you need to purchase first before it's gone is the Halloween pose pack. I do recommend this one. It's the best pose pack, I think, for me. So make sure you purchase this one. The second one that they're going to remove is this editorial post pack. I don't really use it that often, but it's good as well. For the third post pack, we have the fantasy post pack. I actually quite like this one. It's very magical. Wait, it's not this one. Sorry, it's this one. I was like, why is it not giving? There's only 4 poses though. So, and for the fourth post pack, there is the sci-fi post pack. I actually quite like this one. I like the galactic one and the nebula one. So those are the 4 post pack that you need to purchase before they are gone forever. But I do recommend you getting the Halloween one because it's the best one. I think it's the most useful one. So yeah, those are the post pack. I keep saying pose, but anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!